When you're out in the gardens, you get to talk to a lot of people that use the areas.
Yeah, you can see how dirty these things get, and so we come here, we try to get to them once a month and give them a good clean. I'm a temporary laborer for Parks and Recreation. I mean, it's for aesthetics as well as health and safety reasons, right?
We're just cleaning up the daylilies. We're just taking the dried up stuff, keeping things neat and tidy, keeping the weeds out of the gardens, trimming the shrubs as they need to be.
We open up all the washrooms first thing in the morning. We inspect all the splash pads. There's pressure washing. We cut lots of grass on the enclosed pool areas. A lot of washroom cleaning and stuff, and people really appreciate that. It's not always the prettiest of jobs, but it needs to be done, so we get it done.
Yeah, this is what I love to do. I'm from a farming background, so I've always had to run equipment and work with plants and animals.
Every day is different, but every day I help somebody do something that they may not have been able to do on their own. So I'm a customer service clerk in Parks and Recreation. My job is many things. What's your name? First of all, we do program registration, swim lessons, or skating lessons. I have a lot of memories of being very cold in the Northridge pool early in the morning. I used all of the arenas that I now am booking every day for people.
I've been playing on the PUC, used to be the PUC playgrounds for when I was a kid, like forever. Now I take care of them, yeah. I maintain and inspect all the playgrounds in town. I have about 75, 76, somewhere in there.
We're on the phone a lot. We get a lot of in-person customers. We get lots of emails.
We'll grease up all the hangers for the swings and make sure all the swing chain's safe and it's not worn out, making sure the playground's safe for the kids. So when they get there, they can have a safe, fun experience in the playground.
I'm more interested in building habitat for animals and insects. We are planting some bulbs this fall for bees and butterflies.
Pretty much 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. There's some 3 of us at least on, sometimes 4.
Facility rentals, so if you want to rent a ball diamond or a soccer field, ice rink, you want to rent a space to have a wedding.
Yeah, I didn't really know that there was a job like this when I was growing up, that you would be able to go to a city and get a job gardening.
We get a lot of people who are new to the country or new to the city, helping people really integrate in the community for the first time.
Growing up here, being part of this community, living in the community, and now getting to work for the community, being on the other side has definitely opened my eyes to things, and I really enjoy that part of my job. I do love working outside. I've had indoor jobs and they're not for me.
Welcome to Carling Heights Optimist Centre Skateboard Park. That was a lot easier without a skateboard. City of London has over 10,000 hectares of parkland. That's roughly a quarter the size of the area of the city. In addition, we have over 50 facilities consisting of pools and gymnasiums and public spaces. Roughly 300 staff run this on a year-round basis, and that swells in number in the summer to run the summer programs. What happens in the winter? Well, some of our full-time staff move on to other things.
We inspect the playgrounds from April 1st till November 30th.
We work pretty much spring to fall. I work in the arenas in the winter also. Working in the arena, running the arena, driving the Zamboni, cleaning the ice, that kind of thing.
I'm a seasonal gardener, E2 equipment operator in the winter.
You know, as an operator, you're responsible for the machine, safe operation of the machine. So, you know, do a circle check of it, fill it up with water. You have to be able to, I guess you can say, read the ice. I got into the arenas growing up as a kid. I spent a lot of time there as a rink rat. I got to know the operators and supervisors at the time. They offered me a job basically when I first started high school, and it kind of went from there.
We are involved in some of the picking of the playgrounds too, like in the new subdivisions and communities, and say, you know, this works really great in the playgrounds because we're here every day. This is great for accessibility. This is great for inclusion, or this is a great escape for kids who want to not be around other kids.
I like it because I get to help people. I know a lot of things that people just would not be able to find on their own, or it would take them a long time, and I get a lot of satisfaction when people say, thanks, that was really easy.
This wasn't going to be a full-time career for me, but it's turned out to be, and it's been a very rewarding one so far.
It's a hustle to get through it. Just the way the city's growing, there's so much growth.
It's awesome, I love it. I mean, it's out here doing a good service for the community. It's a good feeling, you know, people are really respectful and they're appreciative of the job we do.